Welcome to CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Primate Ayọ̀délé tún ti gbé àwọn ìran tó lágbára jáde o. Ẹ wo eléyìí ó lágbára gidigidi gan ni. Wọ́n ní kí bàbá Tinubu, wọ́n ní kó lọ take care health wọn. He said Tinubu have to look after his health. That during this election he need to really look after his health. And he now gave another prophecy again to Wike. He said, Wike, this is a serious warning to you. Say you have to be careful because a time will come whereby you and Tinubu even cannot see each other anymore. You now become serious enemy. He said, if you like, you take this prophecy. If you don't like, you can call him a false prophet or whatever you like. But he has given you the message what God gave to him. And there's another warning again that there will be serious kidnapping in Ikorodu, and the cultists too at the same time will be operating. And he says about some Yoruba Obas that Yoruba Obas will fight themselves over politics, that they should go and calm down. And regarding Baba Tinubu as well, it now came back to Baba Tinubu and says Tinubu will not be removed from office, but too much blood will remove Tinubu from office. And he now emphasized on saying if care is not taken, Tinubu might be a one-time president. He might be a one-time president. Take note. So sit down. Let's both listen to the prophecy from Primate Ayọ̀délé and drop your opinion down below. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Let's listen to him.
As of next month, you see a lot of network problems. The Globalcom will make profit than MTN next month. They'll make money, more money. They will make more money. That's Globalcom more. Tinubu should watch his health properly. Towards that election, its health will be up and down, up and down, up and down. Please let him go and take care of his health urgently. You know, at a time, this aeroplane, we will not be using fuel again. There is going to be a device that you'll be using. You watch. Wike, you are working. But something's about to happen between you and the president, that you may not be able to see the president again. I repeat again. Wike, a good man, hardworking, ardent supporter of the president, correct man, right? I said, and I quote, as said by the Lord. Don't take it, oh. You can go and write extra about this one. No, I don't bother about it, too. A time will come that you and president will not see each other again. You become a best enemy. So we can watch your back. This is your own time, but they want to destroy it. Watch your back. As me, I understand your language now, will have said something. Ogoni people will go on protest. Ogoni people, they will go on protest. Well, I will also pray. Ikorodu, they will start doing the nonsense kidnapping. Ikorodu ijegemo, Korodu ijegemo. Okay, Rube. That is for cultists. Cultists. One chance. Cultists, one chance. The Korodu, they will be waiting house to house, house to house. Watch out to. We have to pray to support the CP of Lagos State and Lagos State. All these obas, calm down. Don't insult yourself outside, because it will get to a point because of politics. Some obas will insult themselves. Calm, calm. Ladiade Butu, don't waste your money. Keep this money to do charity, to help people. You can't win. You can't even come second. You can't come second. How? Are they Butu? Are they? Your victory is already Butu. The victory is brutalized. The victory is totally brutalized or brutalized or brutalized. Oh, Tony. Wait till then. You know it's not joke. Don't waste money. Oh. If they are praying, they are clapping on your mandate. Oh, ni mandate. Oh. And to create mandate, mandate. Yes, Tinubu cannot tell me that he has a mandate for now. Except let him. It's about time. It's about time. Jamaica will experience turbulent, disaster. In Abia State, Alex Oti will win. It's confirmed. Except if there's no election. Except if there's no election. Gambia, be careful of Ebola. Gambia, the political clock will change. There's going to be disagreement in the parliament. Ruling party, wake up. If you don't wake up, opposition will unseat you and nothing will happen. This is the truth. Tinubu will fail second term if he did not do the needful. All these boys that are telling him lie. When he fought the mole, he will know that because nothing is going right. We have given solution to insecurity. We have talked to necessary authority, but they are not doing they are not complete. They are not taking up the necessary step. They will believe that this man is a noisemaker. You know that I'm not a noisemaker. When you all fail, not one. If one person failed, millions will follow. Don't praise anything for now. Let him have INEC, let him have police, let him have everybody. It's not God that will take Tinubu away. It's not God. God will not remove him. But when you do the needful to remove him, Nigerians will remove him. And the Nigerians that will remove you, they are killing them. The one that are killing them, Nigeria is in pains. The head is crying. Too much of blood. We remove Tinubu in office if he doesn't do the right thing. 2021, is it not happening? I say if you vote this government, you will buy petrol for 1,004, 1,003. You will buy diesel for 2,000. Is it not happen? Bread of 200, you buy for 500 naira. We stated it at that particular time. You believe that you are noise maker. 201, I met with Tinubu in Randhouse. Then it was Randhouse. One of his commissioners took me there, and I told him, "You will rule Nigeria, but not now, later." I'm saying to the whole world. But I am telling you, if care is not taken, it will only spend one term on the line. Except God changes it. If God changes it, it will change the heart of Nigerians. It's not by crook, it's not by fight. It's not by your idea, no, it's not by pay, you have strategy. And all the people surrounding him will go to jail. Jail will be filled up. Governors, they will go to jail. So it's not up to them. Me, I'm not bragging, no. I'm not telling you that you should come and meet me. I'm telling you. I want you to turn a deaf ear to it. I don't want them to even listen. Don't listen. Ignore it. Nigeria government work very hard because of Ebola. Ebola. It's very